Welcome to our channel. Today we're stepping into a tranquil world where architecture and nature seamlessly blend. A courtyard house with stunning nature views. If you've ever dreamed of a home that connects with the outdoors, stay tuned as we explore this breathtaking design. The courtyard house design is rooted in the idea of bringing the outdoors in. This layout creates a private sanctuary surrounded by nature, offering both beauty and functionality. The open-plan design ensures a natural flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding glass doors connect the living room to the courtyard, making nature an integral part of everyday life. In this design, nature takes center stage. Whether it's a tranquil water feature, vibrant plants, or stunning trees, the courtyard becomes a living work of art. Skylights and open spaces flood the house with natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a warm, inviting ambience. Many courtyard houses embrace sustainability. Features like solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and natural ventilation make these homes eco-friendly. Courtyard offers a private retreat for relaxation or family gatherings. Whether it's morning coffee or a late-night conversation, this space adapts to your needs. With thoughtful landscaping, your courtyard can transform with the seasons. Imagine spring blossoms, summer shade, autumn colors, and even cozy winter greenery. From adding unique furniture to incorporating your favorite plants, a courtyard house offers endless opportunities to reflect your personal style. So, what do you think of this courtyard house with nature views? Could you see yourself living in a space like this? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more inspiring home design ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.